If you were on this train, where would you sit?
I put my mannequin in the cabin. Statistically, the safest place to be on a train.
All right, you got this.
All right, we're gonna sit him right on the front. You're not going anywhere.
We're gonna give the Feastables bar a front row seat. Stop eating Hershey's. Eat Feastables. We have waited our entire lives for this moment. This is going to be epic. Nolan! Send the train!
The train's coming!
Let's do this!
Here it goes!